Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've had this idea in my head for a while and I thought it would be a great time to execute it right after Halloween, right after all the bloody and scary looks that I've done before. So if you want to know how I created this beautiful neon rainbow cloudy starry sky look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I already did my eyebrows. I think I'm going to start off with the eyes first. I'm going to do a rainbow half cut crease with like white on the lid. Super excited. Alright, like always, I'm going to prime with my M173 brush and my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. First, I'm going to start off with the neon yellow Makeup a Murder Poison pigment on a Morphe M456 brush, and I'm going to put this on my inner corner, dragging it out towards my nose. Next to that, I'm going to pick up the orange pigment. Next to that, I'm going to put some pink. I'm going to go back in with the orange and overlap that over the pink. Lastly, on this little area over here, I'm going to apply the purple poison pigment. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm going to cut the lid with my BH Cosmetics white concealer and my M421 brush. Now I'm going to set this with a white eyeshadow. For that, I'll be using Flashback from the Morphe X James Charles palette. And then I'm going to pick up the orange and pink pigments and blend that into the white. Alright, now that the eyes are halfway done, let's go ahead and start on the face. So first I'm going to prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. Now I'm going to apply just the lightest layer of my ColourPop No Filter foundation, just to give the pigment something to stick to. Now I'm going to blend this out with my M439 brush. I'm going to zoom in so we can finish off the lower lash line. First, on the outer corners, I'm going to take a little bit of the purple poison pigment. Now next to that, I'm going to put the blue pigment. Lastly, on the inner corner of the lower lash line, I'm going to add the green pigment. Alright, now I'm just going to cover myself in all of the different colors. I'm going to try to keep the purple more towards the edges to create like the shadows, and I'm going to try to keep like the center with the greens and the yellows and oranges and like the lighter colors. Yeah, I don't really have any kind of method to how I'm going to do this. I'm just going to jump right in. Alright, I am now officially fully rainbow. I did my shoulders off camera. I added, don't look at the back, but I added purple, like, all over the edges, and as you can see where all the other colors are, I kept the center yellow and light. Really happy with it. I'm going to now do the clouds with my BH Cosmetics white concealer and that same M421 brush. Alright, I finished the clouds. Now I'm going to set all of them with a white eyeshadow and then put the color that is underneath them, underneath the clouds, to help blend them together. So like this one, I will do like orange and pinks. For this one, I will do more greens and yellows. And yeah, so I'll be setting everything with that white eyeshadow that I used before, Flashback from the James Charles X Morphe palette. Let's get going. Now with an M250-1 brush and a nail dotting tool, I'm going to begin by adding some stars all over my face and neck area with that same BH Cosmetics white concealer. Now I'm going to add some of that white concealer to my waterline, pop on some lashes, and then I'll be right back with the finished look. Here's the finished look, guys. Really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!